At Respirex, we're dedicated to protecting lives. As a global leader in the manufacture of personal protective equipment, we deliver solutions to meet the toughest challenges across multiple industries, from emergency responders to petrochemical, pharmaceutical, and nuclear sectors. We understand that no two customers are the same. That's why our highly skilled and experienced sales team take the time to understand your unique requirements. Whether it's gas-tight suits, chemical splash suits, or CBRN equipment. With our in-depth industry knowledge, we tailor solutions that meet your specific challenges. Respirex take pride in designing and developing all our solutions in-house. From concept to finished product, every step of production is carried out at our state-of-the-art facilities. Using the latest technologies, we ensure our products not only meet, but exceed, safety standards. Every product undergoes extensive testing to ensure quality and performance. Whether it's for chemical, biological, radiological, or nuclear protection, we leave no detail unchecked. For us, quality is paramount at every stage of production, from selecting the best performing materials to rigorous testing and final inspection. Every garment is thoroughly tested before it leaves our factory to ensure it meets the highest standards. Our commitment doesn't end once your product is delivered. With our service tech engineering team, we offer unrivaled aftercare, from on-site servicing, testing, and repair to training and audits. This ensures your equipment remains safe, effective, and fit for purpose throughout its service life. At Respirex, we're not just investing in the future of protective equipment, we're also committed to sustainability. With solar panels installed at our Crawley and Redhill sites, we've significantly reduced our carbon footprint. And through innovative processes, we're minimizing our material use and moving towards a zero landfill policy. With over 60 years of experience, we're not just providing protective equipment, we're providing peace of mind. Respirex, living and breathing personal protection.